Hello friends, I myself Dr. Bharat Parab. We are discussing today organizing data. A raw data is in unorganized form. The raw data has to be tabulated in proper manner so that it is easy to study and conclude the right direction. Okay, this will be clear from the example. The example is group of students and asked to say which animal they would like the most to have as a pet. The results are given below. See, these are the animals, and students declare them. For this such type of example, follow these steps. Count the subjects. Count how many of them are. They are 28 in this case. Okay. Then count the types of subjects. Okay. So there are five. I have counted for it. So and see the dog and write them in this table. Okay. Now cat. Another is fish. Then a rabbit. Then check for any other type of subject. These are the types. Now cow. Yes. So write cow. Okay. Now tally marks. Dog. So we are writing in front of dog. Then cancel this dog. Okay. Cat. Then writing in front of cat. Then cancel. The cancellation is for the just to make a problem easy. It's not recommended anywhere. You need not cancel if you can remember, but if you cancel, don't get confused. Okay, cancel very lightly with a pencil on actual paper. Okay, then see what I'm doing. The rabbit. You keep a habit of first entry the tally mark and then cancel. That will be very easy. So you okay. Now this is fourth one cat. Then the rabbit. The second one, and then a dog will be here. Write it very correctly, write it very coolly. Now see this cat is fifth one, so write it like this. Okay, like this. So you complete a block of 5. Okay, so it is very easy to count. Again you get a cat, start another. Now this dog. Okay, now another dog, and you complete the block of 5. You are completing it. Then if you get a dog again, yes, then start another one. So you keep a group of 5 like that. Okay, another one. So getting it. See, it is very easy. Cow is only, I think, only one. Okay, now fish, uh, then rabbit. See, I am entering it and then cancelling it. Don't get confused. Okay, second one dog, then I am cancelling it. Okay, cat. So second cat and then cancel it. Okay, if you want to repeat it, you should cancel very lightly so that you can erase it again. Okay, see, cat one, fourth one. Okay, if you practice properly, that will be very easy. Or rabbit. Okay, now again there are 28, so in frequency table 28 should match and correctly. That is very important. Okay, now get it. Cat. So fish you get, third one, and dog. I'm not cancelling the last one. You should cancel but not cancelling. Okay, now count. These are 10. Now these are again 10. These are 3 fish, and the rabbit 4, and cow 1. So the 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 4 plus 28. So that is correct. Okay. Now the right hand side table is called frequency. Frequency is a number of times the particular event entry occur. Now in this case is entry. Okay, the number of times, and the whole table is called a frequency distribution table. Remember, this is called a frequency distribution table. Okay, so we move ahead with this. Grouping data. Generally in a study, sometimes data is very large and it is very difficult to study. Hence, we study by forming groups. This is called as grouping data. This will be clear from the example given below. So, we take marks of 60 students in a subject out of 50. So, students are 60, 21, 10, 30, 22, 33 are the marks out of 50 for 60 students. So we form groups of 0 to 10 like this, 10, 20 till 50, and then we tally these marks with respect to the respective group as shown below. So here we try to solve the problem. These are the marks out of 50 in a subject for 60 students. So we form a groups of 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30 like that. So these are called the class intervals. Lower numbers are called lower class limits, and upper numbers are called upper class limits. Difference between these two is called the width, and in this case it is 10. So got it? So we go ahead, we take 21, 21 falls between 20 and 30, so we write it here and cancel it. 10, 10 comes in the two groups, so we take in this group that which is lower and not a higher one. Okay, so always we follow the same practice where we get number like 20, 30 like that, so we will take it in the higher group, that is when it starts with low. Okay, as given here. Again, 12 we'll see ahead, then 42 will come here, it's very easy, then cancel it, then 39. Okay, okay, now see how it is going. 32 comes here. Now as 32 comes the fifth one, so we take the line like this. Similarly for 27, we complete a block of 5, so we count in terms of 5, 5, 5. Okay, and go on adding like that. 35 will come here, and 31 like that. The moment when we comes to 20, 20 will be coming in the 20, 30 section, not the 10, 20. Okay, so we are taking it like that, where a low limit is 20, we take 20 there. So this is the fifth one. So we go ahead, it is very easy. You can just see and form a group of 5, 5. Okay, so it becomes very easy to count. So we take a block of 5 and start a new one when the starts. Cancellation is mandatory. You may not do the cancellation, but it is very easy if you do it. Okay, so see, we are going ahead. 31. Do it very light pencil so that you can cancel it if you want to repeat the exam. There is a problem. So we are going ahead by like this. Okay, 36. So I am writing it first and then cancelling it. So I am taking the bar first. So that is as already been entered, then we can cancel it. So follow the same practice. Okay. So we are about to complete. You can practice yourself. If those marks are out of 50, we have taken 50, 60 as 50 comes in the higher, that is 50, 60 group. Okay, so we have followed that, and this is 17. Okay. Now we are counting it. 0, 10 is 2, then 10, 20 is 10, then 20, 30 is 21. Very easy. See, 19, then 40, 50 is 7, then this is, so total comes out to be 60. Okay, So that is how you have to tackle it. If you little practice, you can definitely do it. Okay, and we go ahead for the explanation of the histogram. So we draw histogram or bar with difference. Okay, like this. So on x-axis is the number of students, that is groups, and on y-axis marks of the students in a particular group. The maximum is 21, so we take only up to 22. The number of students, and there is no gap between these two groups. Okay, 0 to 10, 10, 20. This is called a continuous group. Okay, so such type of graphs are called histograms, and the 0 to 10 you get 2, there is 1 here, then 10, 21 and 19, so you can see that. Okay, and I need to draw the graph like this. This has something different from the previous graph, as this contains grouping data. Okay, so move ahead. So you go here for another example of a jagged bar or histogram. Another example of this type: weekly wages of 30 workers in rupees in a factory. We need not take graph from 0, as the wages do not start from 0, and so we check for the scale as shown in the solution ahead. So we look at this wages of 30 workers at 830, 835, 890, 810, and all this, and we will check how a scale is to be selected and how graph or histogram is to be drawn in the solution given ahead. Okay, just have a look on this. So here we are trying to solve the problem of the previous problem, which was 30 workers in a factory getting wages in a rupees. So these are the 5 or 6 steps to solve this. So we are trying to find the lowest number to select a scale to draw a graph. So I got it 804. Then after trying to find the highest number, 898. So we have decided a scale. It is 800 to 900. Then form a particular group. Third one, form a particular suitable group of uh, suitable width. Okay, so 800, 810, 800 to 820, 820, 830, like that we have found out till 900. And then comes the bar one. Now 830 comes in the two groups. So we will be adding it to the higher group, 830 to 840. Okay, not to 820 to 830. You have to follow this rule throughout your syllabus. Okay, then we are going ahead. Every time you get with such a number, you get such a number which occurs in two groups, put it in the higher group. Okay, now 810 will be in the 810 820 group, not 800 and 810. Okay, now follow this pattern every time. Okay. Now this we are trying. Now 830 to 840 is 4 now. Okay, now that is very easy. If you try to solve it, if you need not cancellation. If you want to cancel very lightly with a pencil, so that it becomes easy. And if you want to repeat the example or any problem, then you can again erase it. Okay, so see that you do it very correctly, so that you don't have to repeat it. Okay, just have a look, need not have any explanation. If you find any problem, you can this is a fifth one I was talking about. You are completing the graph of group of five. Okay, so that will be very easy to count. See, the fifth line comes, we take a slanted line and cancel the, not actually cancel, we just write it like that, so that a group of five is completed. Every time you come across this, you do like this. That is very easy to count. Okay, see what I am doing. Eight 40, 840 will come in the 840, 850 group. Okay, from this we can see graph will give you a particular study that in which group the workers are getting maximum. That means now here till now we can see 830 to 840, that is the wages maximum people are getting. Okay, this study can be done with the help of histogram or with the help of table. Histogram gives you very clear idea, and that is why such type of graphs or histograms are drawn, so that it is very easy to see and study and take a decision. Okay, this is the main purpose actually, and we are trying to make the problem easy with the histogram. Okay, this is the fifth step you are doing, and next will be a histogram. So 840 will come in this. Okay, now count. This will be 3, this will be 2 and 1. This is very easy to count, see. Okay, then we will find a histogram, and total will be, just see, that should be 30. Okay, moving ahead to form a histogram. Okay, this is Dr. Bharat Parab for you. If you have any difficulty, write me in the comment box and I shall definitely try to solve it. See, we are drawing histogram, that is jagged bar graph. This is y-axis and x-axis. On x-axis we get wages in rupees, on y-axis number of workers, and look at this. Okay, now we are trying 800, 810. There is no gap in between these two, and 800 is maximum. This is 5, and this is 2. You can compare this with the table, and this is histogram jagged bar. This is, see, this is a jagged bar which doesn't start from 0. We start from 800, so we show like this, a break on axis. This is called a jagged bar. Okay, so this is a histogram. This is an example. We go with the example. Observe this histogram and answer the questions. Okay, now see this number of girls in a class. Okay, on y-axis, see this, and heights in centimeter, 125 centimeter, 130, like that. Now there is no gap in between these two. This is and this is a jagged one. It doesn't start from 0, so we show a broken axis. So this is a jagged bar. Observe this, and observe 125 to 130 is one student, 130, like that. Okay, 130 to 135, there is another two students. Okay, just observe this, and you need to answer the questions given by this. Okay, so answer all this. We are going ahead. What information is given by the histogram? That is this heights in centimeter of it and number of students in the class. How many girls have particular height in this group? So that information is given by this. Okay. Second question is, which group contains maximum girls? Okay, 140 to 145, 7 girls. Okay. 140 to 145. How many girls height of 145 and more? See, 145 and more. See, 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so 7. So we divide these girls in three categories. How many would there be in each? 150 centimeter and more in group A. And 150 is here. See, this is 2 plus 1. Okay, so it's 3. 140 centimeters to less than 150. Okay, 140 is 7 and this is 4, but out of that they are all 150 plus, so you get answer 11. And less than 140, group C. Group C contains this is 7 comes in as that's 3, 2 and 1. uh, so add this, so group C contains 6 girls. Okay, and this is Dr. Bharat Parab for you. If you have any difficulty, write to me in the comment box. Okay, I shall definitely try to solve it. No, solve it, not try to solve it. Okay, good luck.